Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house. And today I've got the Ruike P-831 SF here with me for a quick unboxing video and quick review. But hey, don't forget to like the video and to subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying this kind of content. So, Ruike box is very nicely made. There's a box protector on top of this Apple iPhone kind of looking box. Nicely done. It's a nice touch. You've got your paperwork going on over here, and then this cutout foam insert, which is it's good. It's interesting. And then you've got your Ruike P-831 knife going on over here, which overall is gonna be measuring 7.5 inch in length when open, and I would say around 3.2 inch long of cutting edge with a 4.2 inch long handle. It's a stainless steel frame lock. Really interesting because it's the design. It's cool, guys. It's sleek, it's slim, it's relatively light. It's a relatively cheap one, and I actually was attracted by the design because it's gonna be around $40 knife, stainless steel frame lock. It has like a safety, an extra safety lock right over here, thumb stud opening mode only. Nice snappy action. 14C28N steel going on. A nice flat grind. Wharncliffe blade. I really dig this blade shape lately, guys. Sound is very snappy. It's interesting. Closing action not that much. I mean, it doesn't close that free fallingly, and because it's running on washers, so it's very simple. The action is going to be smooth gliding, but there's no free fall shot going on over here. The weight is going to be 3.3 ounces, so it's very light, even if it's all stainless steel. So it's very cool. It has an interesting grip. I mean, it's not the most comfortable knife ever, but it's thin. There's no hot spots created by this pocket clip. There's also no jimping, so it could be a little bit on the slippery side, but it's gonna be cool at 3.3 ounces in the pocket. The clip looks pretty sturdy, and it's an overall classy and elegant, inexpensive piece, because this guy is gonna be around the $40 marks, made in China, of course, by Ruike. So there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hey, if you want to know more, please check out the full-length review. And don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.